Recording the sewer line here at 528 21st Avenue East. The date is July 31st, 2020. Recording this from the newly installed cleanout outside here on the south side of the home where the sewer exits the house. Bob Oates basically replaced this entire line from where it exits the foundation out to the road, or out to the city main there. So we're looking at the city main right there. And we're going to come back from here. It's a little piece of tape stuck on the liner, but this is 6-inch new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. That little piece of tape will fall off over time. Not going to cause any issues. But 6-inch liner, here's that 90-degree turn that was giving us a little bit of a problem during the lining portion of it. So we had to do the liner in 2 separate stretches because of that sharp 90-degree turn out under the road there. But we got it done. So still 6-inch new flow liner there. Coming back. Liner actually turned out really smooth and in great shape. Upside down there. And then we're going back into the plastic piping there. So liner back into plastic. So we did a repair down here near the sidewalk. So this is that repair. Up on the right side, upper right, top part of the screen now is the tie-in for the driveway drain. So that's the driveway drain tying into the line. And coming back now, we are in a 4-inch ABS plastic section. So we went from, that's a 6-inch to 4-inch right there. So we're in 4-inch diameter. Now we're in 4-inch diameter HDPE, excuse me, did I say ABS earlier? HDPE plastic pipe. This is the pipe burst that we performed. So we bursted from trench to trench, about a 40-foot long burst. Burst turned out phenomenal as well. And coming back into the plastic now of the clean out install. We're coming back up the pipe. And there we go. So there is the clean out install. Here is a look at the piping. That's an upstream going back to a downspout. That's the line that goes into the house. And the recording there.